automated reporting and analytics is a hidden gem for most organizations. Let's talk about it. Typically, most organizations, there already exists a lot of reporting that is being done largely by hand or through efforts that take a lot of people's times in order to replicate on a regular basis. And this can be monthly reports, 6 monthly, yearly reports, etc. Sometimes, and we still see teams today that spend about 50% or sometimes more of the team's time in a given month. They spend 50% of their time in creating, replicating reports that are just having the updated figures. Sometimes this is done centrally in an analytics or business intelligence or reporting team. Sometimes it's done decentralized with people in different parts of the business creating these reports with a lot of Excel, a lot of manual work goes into it. And this is how most organizations are being run today. So there are, I wanted to talk today about ways that we can automate that reporting and automate that analysis in low-cost ways, sort of very easy entry, and that's leveraging open source software. With that being said, there are vendors that have software that is automating analytics and reporting, and you can sort of create something once and then have it run in an automated manner and being delivered efficiently. So there are commercial alternatives that make it even easier, but the open source world offers good alternatives. So if you're in R, R and Python, you can, for example, create automatic PowerPoints that then are customized to individual customers or to their business parts or business lines, and you can create that from the one data set and from the one software. So you can use you can create PowerPoints, you can create PDFs, you can use our Markdown or Markdown in general to publish these reports on an ongoing basis. So the trick there is to automate the data preparation and have the data that you're looking to use for one report, have that in one data set, and that can include, within that one data set, you can have data from multiple clients that is all processed together, because then you get the efficiency of the scale. And then in your software, so in the Python part or in the R part, you filter down the data to have one customer at a time, and then you're able to create the metrics that they care about. And sometimes you'll have metrics that are repeated, or sometimes you have benchmarks that you want to show, and you'll be able to leverage the whole data set for that. But at the end, you create one PowerPoint for each business line or one PowerPoint for each customer, and they will all look and feel like a customized, unique PowerPoint, especially if you add some dimensions where things are ranked, and then you can take like the top and the bottom, and you can highlight those. And additionally, if you bring in external data sets, then this gets even richer. One of the things that I've done in the past with my teams is look at a network of stores for a customer, bring in census data, look at the types of customers that visit that's a store in a particular suburb, and compare that to the people, the demographics of the people that live in that area. And then in that comparison, you can rank stores that have that they're overrepresented for 25 to 35-year-olds, say, and then stores that are underrepresented for the same in the same dimension for the 25 to 35-year-olds. And then you can only show in the PowerPoint the top two and the bottom two stores, and you can say these stores are largely overrepresented and these other two are underrepresented. And through that, you can create sort of customized reporting, customized and intelligent insights that are customized for each client. And you do that in a way that's scalable and automated, and that then runs automatically. And it can even be delivered by email automatically. And today, most customers and stakeholders still like to consume analytics in reports that can be in PowerPoint, in PDFs, things like that. So you can do that in Python, you can do it in R, you can create web pages, etc. But I encourage everyone to think about the low-hanging fruit in terms of value that can be created by automating reporting, help you free up some time, and then help to increase the maturity of the organization to work on more interesting things. I hope this has been helpful. The automated reporting analytics is a hidden gem. It can be done with open source software. I encourage you to try it. Let me know what you've done in the past. Let me know if you have other tips in this space. Hope this video has been useful, and see you in the next one.